how to fill up form on PDF on mobile. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fill up a PDF form on your mobile. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First, go to the App Store or Google Play Store and download the Microsoft 365 Office app. If you already have it installed, just go ahead and open the app. Now, share your PDF or Word file into the Microsoft Office in order to fill it up. So, find and open the PDF form that you want to fill out. Once the PDF is open, tap the Edit button at the bottom of the screen. Now tap anywhere on the form where you need to enter text. A text box will appear, allowing you to start typing. Continue tapping and filling out all the necessary fields one by one. You can also adjust the position of your text if needed by dragging it. Once you're done filling out the entire form, tap the back arrow or menu and then choose Save to keep your changes. Your filled up PDF form is now ready to be sent or uploaded as needed. That's all for the video. If this helps you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick tutorials. See you in the next one.